Hello, and let us begin reading How is Chocolate Made? The Lexile of this book is 450 Lexile. Let us proceed to reading. Fine, let us begin reading. Many people love chocolate. It is in candy, cake, and other treats. But how is chocolate made? Chocolate goes through several before we eat it. Several names, years, roads, steps. Most probably steps. Yes, we are right. It goes through several steps before we eat it. Chocolate begins by growing on trees. Chocolates do not grow on chocolate trees. It grows on a cocoa tree. Cocoa tree grow in dash places, damp, wide, warm, main, most probably warm places. Because we can see near the equator, yes, I believe it's warm. Submit answers. Let's see. Yes, we are right. These places are close to the equator. A dash of chocolate comes from West Africa. A dash of chocolate, lot, war, a lot of chocolate comes from West Africa. Some comes from South America and the Caribbean. South America and the Caribbean. Now let us proceed. Cocoa pods grow on cocoa trees. They are shaped like footballs. There are several cocoa pods on each tree. Inside the pods are cocoa beans. Raw cocoa beans do not taste good. They are bitter. But with some work, they will dash into chocolate. They will turn, feel, keep, hide. Most probably, they will turn into chocolate. Yes, we are right. Farmers open the cocoa pods with long knives. The beans split out. There is also pulp. The beans and pulp dash for a week. Bathe, bath, bull, rest, trap. Most probably the rest. I believe the picture shows rest. Rest for a week. Yes. Then the beans are dried. Now they are ready to be made into chocolate. The dried cocoa beans are called cocoa beans. The cocoa beans are put in bags. The bags are shipped around most probably it's around the world. Stone, alarm, and coach looks out of place. It's around the world. They will be turned into chocolate. The cocoa beans arrive at their destination. Then they are cleaned. The shells are broken, stored, packed, bitten. Most probably broken. Yes, that's right. This leaves behind the nibs. The nibs are the raw ingredients of chocolate. The nibs are melted into cocoa mass. It is processed into cocoa powder and cocoa butter. Milk and dark chocolate are made from cocoa mass. White chocolate is made from cocoa butter. Sugar and milk are added for flavor. Then the dash goes through rollers. Then the mixture, nesting, demist, coating. Most probably the mixture. We are talking about the mixture. Yes, we are right. The ingredients are put together in a large tank. Tasters watch over the tanks. They make sure the chocolate has a dash flavor. The chocolate has a lean, nice, full, main, most probably nice flavor. Soon it is ready. The chocolate is formed into blocks, bars, or Horses, snowdrops, shared scores, most probably drops. Yes. Sometimes it is combined with other ingredients too. The chocolate is ready to eat. It has made a long journey from the cocoa tree to the Mo's, fence, cabin, table. Most probably these three words are out of place. Chocolate, mouse. Oops, table. Oh, that word was not chocolate mouse, it was mouse. Yes, it has made. Let me check once more. The chocolate is ready to eat. It has made a long journey from the cocoa tree to the table. Yes, most probably this table. Next time you enjoy chocolate, think of where it came from.